Die lip adjusting method. To have different thickness, we will adjust the die lip to assure product thickness. Steps as following. 1. Loosen die lip screw with internal hexagonal range. 2. Prepare a copper filler gauge with fixed needed thickness. 3. Insert a filler into die lip, making sure that it can move smoothly. Insert 0.1 mm to 0.3 mm gasket to fix them, and the filler cannot put in again. 4. Fasten die lip fix screw. 5. Fasten adjusting screw with socket spanner. 6. Turn on the machine, extruding product until it can be smoothly pulled out as plated slabs. 7. Cut product alongside the die lip. Please cut it clean and smooth to observe extrusion speed of product. 8. If the speed is not uniform, find out the plug screw in corresponding position and adjust it with socket spanner to change the speed of product. Repeat step 8 and 9. Keep observation and adjustment. Until we have uniform speed.